I can sign 10. Please come to me. Please come to me. Please come to me.
How many of you ready for a game? Say aye.
Aye.
The name of this game is called bingo. What is the name of the game?
Bingo.
Bingo, there are 25 into 5. 25 items. How many items?
25.
What you have to do is, you have to network with people. Meet number of people and collect signatures. Here, the first one is a vegetarian. How many of you are here vegetarians? So you have to go to vegetarians and get it signed. So Nirmala ji, you cannot sign your own sheet. One box, one signature. Favorite color is yellow. Whose favorite color is yellow? Get it from Abhilasha also. Has a scooty bike. Who has a scooty bike? Everything you can sign. Very nice. Scooty bike. So go to them, get it signed. Understood? Like this, how many items are there? 25 signatures you need to collect. You will get 3 minutes. How many minutes? Collecting signatures alone will not make you win. Now what you need to do is, you need to create a bingo. If you get all the 5, put a line. This is one bingo. You can get 12 ways. How many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 horizontal, 5 vertical and 2 diagonal. If you have got 4 and you have missed, speaks 3 languages. If you have missed this and you have this one, will it get counted as a bingo? Kadiya, it will not get counted as a bingo. Let's play bingo! Participation equals to?
Fun.
How many of you are having fun? Say aye. Aye. How many of you got all the signatures? 4. Anybody got 4? 4. Very nice. Can we give Nirmala ji a big round of applause? And then, how many of you got 3? 3. Very nice. Can we give Suresh ji a big round of applause? Can I tell you one thing? In 3 minutes, you can easily get all the signatures. Sitting in one place. How? If you would have come to me, you could have got at least 20 plus. How many?
20 plus.
I can sign 21. Abhida ji came to me. She was asking me one by one. So it's all about smart communication. Coach, sign how many you can. Whose game is this? My game. 20 out of 25, your job is done. So please, hard work is very much needed, but hard work plus smart work. Everybody take your paper. Somebody comes, how many can you sign? Now, Raghavi, how many can you sign?
10.
10. Now, Raghavi, you should have done this. Come. I can sign 10. I can sign 10. Come to me. I can sign 10. What would have happened? And if they come to you, what do?
I will sign it.
You tell them, please sign. You sign how much? I'll sign 10 for you. First step is promoting yourself. I can sign 10. Vanga. I can sign 10. Are you promoting yourself?
Yes.
How many of you want promotion?
Yes.
You have to promote yourself. If you want to grow, promote yourself. Learn to promote yourself. Can I say something very powerful to you? Coach, tell us something very powerful.
Tell us something very powerful.
Each and every one of you are gifted. You are blessed. God has given you some talent. God has given you something so beautiful within you. God has given you a lot of gifts, a lot of talents, a lot of potential. But what are we doing? Keeping quiet, not promoting. If you are good at something, tell, I am good at this, I am the best at this. Promote yourself. Come, loudly.
I can sign 10. Please come to me. Please come to me. Please come to me.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anju ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Dey, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.